I'm here to inform everyone, like the others will do as well, that Rajat Patidar is going to be the new captain of RCB. Rajat, firstly, I want to congratulate you, wish you all the very best, and to tell you that the way you have grown in this franchise and the way you have performed, you have really made a place in the hearts of all the fans of RCB all over India, and they get really excited to watch you play. So this is very well deserved. Myself and the other team members will be right behind you, and you will have all our support to grow into this role. Of course, it's a big responsibility. I've done this for many years, and Faf's done it for the last few years. And to be seen as the guy who will take this franchise forward, I'm sure it's a huge honor for you, and I'm very, very happy for you. You have earned the right to be in this position, and I'm sure you will grow from strength to strength. I just wish him all the very best, and I would request all the fans to show him absolute support, get right behind him, sending my best wishes to him, and sending all the fans lots of love, and looking forward to see you all soon, and looking forward to have Rajat start off this season with a bang.
मतलब टू बी ऑनेस्ट मैं कभी ऐसा सोचता नहीं हूँ कि मैं इस टीम का मतलब कहीं भी मैं खेलता हूँ तो मैं उस चीज को उस वे में नहीं लेता हूँ कि मैं इस टीम का एक मेन पार्ट हो चुका हूँ या कुछ भी पार्ट। हाँ, तो अगर मैं इसमें खासकर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो सपोर्ट और लव जो फैन से मिला मुझे जब मैं एज ए रिप्लेसमेंट भी आया और उसके बाद जो मेरी इंजरी हुई थी, जो लव और सपोर्ट जो उन्होंने दिया, आई थिंक मुझे वो मोटिवेट ज्यादा किया टू डू बेटर एज एन इंडिविजुअल। और स्टार्टिंग से मेरी वन ऑफ द फेवरेट टीम रही है आरसीबी, और आई थिंक उसी टीम से खेलने का मुझे मौका मिला, तो आई थिंक मुझे लगता है कि बहुत आई फील वेरी लकी फॉर दैट। wherever I go to play, I think there are a lot of fans, and not only me, all the RCB players. I think the way they support them and the way they love the players, I think this is one of the biggest plus point of the team because of their fans. And I'm very lucky that I have too much of support from outside of the ground as well. And I have too much support from my team as well, and I thank to RCB management also the way they have shown the faith in me. So I'm exciting and looking forward for it. I think for this it's important to follow the process. I think my strength is more on the process best. I don't look what will be the result of this process. So I think my strength is slightly different, and so yeah, I'll back my strength the way I'm captaining my state team. I'll back the same way in the IPL as well.
Captaining a player like Virat Kohli of such a big stature, थोड़ा तो प्रेशर रहेगा या आसान रहेगा या डिफिकल्ट रहेगा, इसके बारे में थोड़ा बात कीजिए।
आई थिंक मेरे हिसाब से इतना प्रेशर नहीं रहेगा, क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ उन्हें अच्छे से, काफी टाइम साथ में खेला हूँ मैं उन्हें, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये एक मेरे लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी है उनके साथ खेलने के लिए और खेलने की, और उसके बाद उनका एक्सपीरियंस और उनके जो आइडियाज उनके जो थॉट्स है, आई थिंक वो मुझे काफी हेल्प करेंगे एज ए लीडरशिप क्वालिटी में। आई रियली फील गुड राइट नाउ। If I talk about my way of captaincy, I'm not that much expressive, but at the same time I'm aware of the situation of the matches. So I think for me it's important to back my players and stand with them and give the sort of environment where they feel relaxed and confident. So yeah, I'm lucky that I'm surrounded by one of the best peoples in the team, and we have a group of leaders as well, where their experience and ideas will definitely help in my new leadership role and growth as an individual also. I think it's a great opportunity for me to learn from one of the best of the cricket. So I think his ideas, his experience, I think it will definitely help me in my leadership role. And yeah, I've done a lot of partnership with him, so I think I know him very well. So yeah, his experience and his ideas will definitely help me in my leadership role.